I'm about to get out of my car right now to show you guys how windy it is. Crazy, the birds are flying backward. Can barely open the car door. Anyone who knows us knows we love the warm weather. This is crazy. Man down. My storm gutter on the ground. Anyone know how to fix that? No one seems to be braving the boardwalk. There are a few people going out to the beach who look like they are dying to get back.
We Wilmington just to come to the beach for the weekend. And we just came down to see the ocean in the storm and the wind.
Yeah.
It looks crazy.
It does look crazy. So I'm getting pelted with sand and it's really, really cold. So I'm gonna go back in. The bay side was not much better. Total ice.